welcome to another video tutorial. In this video, we're going to be talking about our application called Floating Videos. You will see exactly what this application lets you to do, and we will walk through the steps that we need to take to make sure that video or that animation is inside our website the best way possible. So first, what you want to do is create a project, and all you will see once you click that is a box for the name of the project and your file that you will be configuring. So your animation or your video, this is where you're going to pull out your file from. Then you can click in this button to create your new project, and your project is going to appear like this. Okay, so I've made a project for this tutorial already, so let's go ahead and edit and see what type of configurations we can do. So here, guys, what I want to do is I want to take this green screen behind this guy. Okay, so I want this image or this animation of my coworker to be in my website and to fit in with my website. So whatever's in the background is gonna be there, you know, so we won't have that green screen behind. It's gonna be completely blank and see-through. What you want to do is click over here and this color window will appear. What you want to do is click on the green over here. Let's pick, and as you can see, we can go ahead over here and put it up. So 10, 11, 12. The more we put, the more green they're gonna take it out. So let's just keep going up, and we can see the screen getting wider and wider in the background. Okay, so let's now pick again this color over here and let's put it up. So there you go, guys. This to me looks pretty good. Okay, it's gonna be small, so all these little white areas here, you won't be seeing them. Okay, so for me, this is pretty good. I can use this now. So what we can do is look at the other configurations. I want to disable the sound, so we only see him moving. Okay, we don't need to hear what he's saying, so we can go ahead here and disable the sound. We can leave it as autoplay, so as soon as somebody goes into the website, they will see that animation going on. And we could loop the video so it doesn't stop, so once it's done, it just restarts. So yes, we can do that. Over here, once you click on it, we can pause it, we can mute video, or do nothing. What we're actually gonna do is click on do nothing, so when people actually click on it, the animation keeps going. Over here, we could have the button to close, so if somebody wants that out of the way, they can go ahead and click on the X. So right now, guys, we're gonna go ahead and save the project, and now all we need to do is grab the code and put it inside our website. So let's go ahead, click on the code, and over here all you have to do is copy the code. In these two boxes is where you will be able to change your width and your height. So if you want your animation to be bigger or smaller, this is where you change it. I highly suggest you trying the width 640 and the height 480 and seeing if it's too small or too big for you. And then you can go ahead and make some changes. So let's go ahead and copy that one more time just to make sure and jump right into the editor. So here we are. We can go ahead now and actually add our animation. So let's go ahead into apps, and we will bring out this HTML box. Once we've done that, we can right click it, edit, and we're gonna paste the code right over here. So we hit confirm, we make it a little bit bigger, and there it is, guys. So over here, as you can see, the X button that we've added and our coworker here in our website. Okay, so we can make it smaller, we can do whatever we want with it. Okay, and like I said, if you want to change the width or the height, you can change it back here in the configurations for your project. Okay, so after you save, you go ahead and then you grab the code. So let's make it a little bit smaller. Let's say I want half of what this is, so I'm gonna leave this 320, and as you can see, it changes down here at the same time, and same for this, so 240. Once I click here, you will see this 240 changing. So there you go, and now we can copy that code and go back into the editor. So let's delete this one and bring out another box. So right click it, edit, and paste. So there we have, guys. That actually to me looks a little bit better. Okay, and in regards to the little white dots that are appearing, that is all configuration of the color of your animation. Okay, so you guys are actually gonna have to mess around with it a little bit so you can get it perfect. Okay, this is just for the tutorial, so I did not waste a lot of time there and didn't waste your time with it. Okay, so pretty much, guys, this is how you add a floating video to your website. Okay, I'm sorry, as this is just a completely blank website. You could have a video right here and he would be on top. Okay, so pretty much, guys, that's how you use it. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.